Another way they've been trying to contain this fire is by using bulldozers. You can just see the haze from our tower cam right there, how much smoke. KOCO's Dan Thomas has more on how the bulldozers work.
Logan County has this bulldozer standing by here. It, along with several others, will be called out to cut fire breaks here. They're relying on an aerial survey that's being done by OHP to tell them exactly where they need to cut those breaks. Forestry also has a number of bulldozers standing by, and what they'll do is they'll use this blade to just skim the surface. They don't want to harm the ecology of the wilderness out there. They just want to take away the fuel of the fire. So they'll put these blades down and just skim the surface, cutting those fire breaks, hopefully getting this fire contained. They've got 9 bulldozers in all standing by, and they'll call in more if need be. Reporting in Logan County, Dan Thomas, KOCO 5 News.